Everybody should say hello from Flask. So, under this tutorial, we are going to make an online market store. And this online market store will have various features. Online market store will enable store owners to connect to their customers. Store owners can be 1 up to 100, and their customers are linked to each store owner. And we're going to integrate this together with other payment gateways so that transactions can be made online using technology such as Stripe, Paystack, and M-Pesa. So under this, I'm going to teach you step by step on what are the requirements that you need and the technology that you're going to use so as to achieve this. So these are the key steps for the entire system. We're going to use the Flask application. What is a Flask application? Flask is one of the frameworks of Python. Python has various frameworks such as Django, Flask, and others. So for me, I prefer Flask. So we are going to install this by doing a pip install Flask in our terminal. We also need the SQLAlchemy. We'll do a pip install SQLAlchemy. And also, if you don't have Python installed, you can download it from your Windows, from the Microsoft Store. You can also download the Git installer for Windows because this will be the version control thing. So the first step, we'll install the virtual environment into our terminal by running a pip install virtual env. You'll see that in the next tutorial. In the next tutorial, you'll just follow along and you'll see how we'll do these things. Then you will do. We'll create a virtual environment by doing virtual env online env. You can rename it to anything, but I used online env, so the same to this online env. We'll do an online env. Online env. We'll do an online env. So you will do pip install this one, then you create the virtual env named online env. Then you shall activate it using this. Not that for the above to work, you should use the command prompt over the PowerShell terminal. The command prompt terminal is just on your Flask app, very much visible. The command prompt. Let me show you. The command prompt terminal is just on your Flask. So in your Flask app, you'll be able to see this. We have CMD, we have PowerShell. So you use this CMD one to run everything. You can get it from here, depending on the device. So here is where we run all those pip install whatever. So these are the steps and procedure, installing the system requirements and technologies. We are going to use Flask, we are going to use SQLAlchemy and what have you. These are the key steps. As I've said, the online store will be something magnificent. So join me in this project in unleashing the online store. Yes. As I said, the online store will encompass these technologies. We are going to use Flask as one of our system requirements. We're going to use the SQLAlchemy model. We're going to create the virtual environment. We're going to use Git as our version control model. And the procedure is just simple. You do a pip install virtual env. You create a virtual environment by running this virtual env, online env on your command prompt terminal. You also do you activate it by running an online env script activate. This is how you activate it. This commands should follow each other in that order by running them on the CMD terminal. We're also going to, these are the steps and procedures. The key steps: setting up a Flask application with template folder, app.py, model.py files, creating an index.html, login.html, signup.html, and store.html. We shall also need some 4 tables such as the users, the items, and the payments. We also incorporate different payment gateways such as M-Pesa, Stripe, and Paystack to make sure that our application works to the expected way. So join me.